Our actions are driven by our mind, and our mind is usually dominated by our emotions. In true sense, we have two minds, one that thinks and the second that feels. Is there a need for us to manage our emotions, to be able to regulate our mind and actions better? Well, the answer lies with you. Are you feeling stressed out? Are you feeling anxious? Do you feel your emotions are beyond your control most of the times? Do you feel lonely and left out? Well, the Emotional Intelligence Workshop will help you identify your personality, your behavior, your moods, your impulses, and able to manage them in a positive way. You will be able to empathize and be compassionate towards others, aligning to their need and expectations. Here is a platform on emotional intelligence. Register for the workshop, for my upcoming workshop on 24th October, which is a Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. For more details, you can click on the link below. Be rest assured, this is going to be a fabulous journey on an exclusive self-exploration. I look forward to meeting all of you. Thank you very much.